Any important messages?
Puerto Rico está cabrón.
Live in the moment and don't trust anyone. We have the Bad Bunny room and we have
Bad Bunny looking at us. I'm so hungry. What do you got in there? True Mexican. Estamos en Puerto Rico. Outfit check. How are we feeling?
so good.
So good.
So ready to take on the world.
We're gonna conquer our challenges for the day.
Yes, we have a couple challenges. I'm gonna sign a couple of you with me.
My main one is to remember people's names.
And if you don't,
Shot.
you're everybody and their mother in the picture. Las papitas y la banderita.
Cute. Thank you. Oh, there's two kitties. My life has been made.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti, que lo cumplas feliz. Feliz cumpleaños Alexia, feliz cumpleaños a ti. Salud amiga, te amo. En PR.
Day one was good.
It was good. And that's not even, it wasn't even day one.
No, it was half day.
It was half day. It was 0.5 day.
Lex and Liz out.
Signing off.
Signing off. Trying to bring Mexico to Puerto Rico.
I mean, taste test. Well, first of all, it's not a quesadilla. I'm very disappointed already.
Taste test it. What do you rate it?
Probably like a 4.
Shit, okay.
Because we know what the fuck they're supposed to taste like. That's why.
Yeah, I look confused in both.
It has good flavor. It could be spicier, but it's good.
You could always pull out your chile serrano.
Pull it out later. But I'm a new person and I'm trying new things.
Sorry. Some more life.
More light. More blessings. More love.
Look, it's a minion. It is day, I don't know, but we're at a rooftop. Outfit check. Hey. Morning. It is my last night in Puerto Rico. I've been having such a good time. Closed out our trip that way, so I'm excited. It's been a good time. Puerto Rico reminds me of Miami, but with more culture, more depth, and way less superficial. Puerto Rico was so much fun, so I really enjoyed it here. Maybe I'll come back. I don't know. I have a lot of places where I'll go visit sometimes and I'm like, oh, I would definitely move here. Puerto Rico is not one of them. It's beautiful, the culture is really nice, everybody's really nice, but it's a fun place to visit for sure, but not somewhere I would want to stay. But yeah, it's been a ball, it's been a good time. And oh, we've been taking little Polaroid. We've been taking photo booth pictures. Let me show you guys. They're so cute. Last night, these are so cute. But yeah, we'll see where the day takes us today for the last day.